Hello Cape Town, welcome to this video. It's Josh here, and today I want to talk to you about our newly launched website. Super exciting times. So let's hop on over to the mobile device and take you through the process and check it out.
So what you want to do is open up your web browser on your mobile device. You can enter the URL Cape Town is awesome, which is already there. And then what this is going to do is prompt you, my GPS is off, so I'm now saying turn it on. It's picked up my location and I'm going to say all categories, and I'm just going to hit search. I don't know what I want to do, I just want to browse through the directory. And this will start to display things that are close to me. I can also click map and I'll be able to see where on the map these items are. And as we continue to have businesses sign up with us, these will be populated more and more. You can also scroll down to our news and articles section, where we showcase blog articles around awesome Cape Townians, things to do in and around Cape Town, lifestyle, fitness, adventure, and all those wonderful things. And that's a quick tour of our newly launched website.
Great, so that's pretty much sums up the experience on our new website. We hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section below, DM us or email us on info@capetownisawesome.com. Like, share, subscribe, all those fancy things, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.